Wananchi Group's a pretty unique business with a varied portfolio of underlying businesses. We're a business services business operating under the brands Simbanet, Aldine, iSat and Wananchi Telecom. We're a retail business in the DTH and cable world offering the brand Zuku. We operate and offer affordable entertainment for the growing middle class in East Africa.
When my partners and I envisioned Wananchi Group, we realized that the consumers here wanted the same products as people want anywhere else in the world.
They really were a company that was looking to do something that had never been done before in Africa, to build the first pay television and internet service provider lumped up into one.
We operate and build our own fiber optic cable network direct to the home, at the moment in Nairobi and coming soon in Mombasa, Dar es Salaam and Kampala.
So technologically wise, our customers in Kenya are similar to those in advanced countries whereby they have one cable for which they are getting their data, voice and video. Our customers now can enjoy a full triple play service with voice, video and data.
A bit like some of the major European and North American companies have been doing, except that we're using the most modern technology, which means that we're actually one step ahead of the game here in East Africa. Zuku is actually two businesses in one. It's a DTH business operating satellite television in East Africa. We're actually operating today in 3 countries, Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania.
We are now planning launches in other countries, and based on the satellite that we are on, the SES5 satellite, we have opportunity to be in 33 African countries. So the future for us is bright. We need to grow into those markets for our DTH customers.
I see a growing continent with a middle class that's developing. I see a demand for entertainment and communication that is similar to what I've observed in the 80s and the early 90s in the rest of the world.
Africa, and within it particularly East Africa, is seen as a growth market, almost untapped in terms of pay TV. So in the light of this, it was decided to set up a programming group in Nairobi and be able to create channels that would be ours, that we could brand as Zuku channels. We now manage and operate 9 Zuku branded channels, and over the next couple of years that is bound to grow to a couple more.
Having started this and we have a head start on other competitors, I think we're going to be able to take advantage of our being East African or being at the center of the Swahili world.
East Africa is also starting to really blossom in terms of some of the content that's coming out of here. And so what you have is it's Africa through the lens of Africans.
People like Zuku who are commissioning, licensing, young entrepreneurs, young creatives to be able to produce original quality content.
That ability to actually generate relationships, start generating conversations with content creators, I think is putting Zuku in a different league altogether.
We're a big employer, we're a big investor, and we believe that we're operating and offer a huge amount of opportunity for people to actually produce for us content, to help us in terms of our capital investment and to help us in terms of operating our business.
Wananchi has the potential today of becoming a really substantial and significant part of the rollout of broadband and entertainment in Africa.